Hello world, it's Kurtis Potter with Boundless Inspiration. Yep, I'm sweating. I'm at the gym. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about today is, are there things in this world that can excel and elevate your journey, right? And I know that's a question that I'm asking because I just invite you to open your mind on your journey and where you're going. And not where is it, not if it's out there, but where is it? Because in today's age and with the technology, there's something to help you elevate in any area, right? So for me, I did arms today. I'm not going to show you those biceps, but I'm just going to show you that, like, when I do arms, I get sweating a little bit. But I mean, I don't get dripping sweat. But the thing is I like sweating profusely sometimes to just push those toxins out of my body, right? And being in the sauna, it just really opens up my lungs. You know, it does so many good things for you. I'll pour eucalyptus, not on the things that you're not supposed to pour them on. But I'll use them because it's that main ingredient in Vicks Vapor Rub that just opens your pores. It gets you sweating, has so many health benefits, right? So today, I just want to ask you, what's out there that's going to help you excel, elevate, and get to your dreams and goals faster? See, I heard this wise man once. He told me, we were talking, and he's in Texas, and I'm in Indiana when we're talking over the phone, and he's a great mentor of mine. We've mentored each other. We've helped each other, accountability partners. We lift each other up. You know, especially there's been times where he's been down, I've been down. We just lifted each other up. And he was talking about how he was about to switch jobs. And I was like, man, I thought you loved that job. And he's like, bro, I do. But I know that it's not my long-term job, right? And he said, Kurtis, if I was coming to see you in Indiana and I'm here in Texas, I'm not going to walk there. I'm not going to ride a bike there. And you know what? Realistically, I'm not even going to drive there. I'm going to fly. And I was like, well, yeah, you know, unless you're just trying to take a road trip. And he goes, no, what I'm saying is take the tallest building in Indianapolis. It's the Salesforce building. He said, if you're trying to go to the top, are you going to walk up them flight of stairs? You're going to come in that building. There's always the stairs and there's that elevator. Are you going to take the elevator to go to the top floor, even the 5th floor, 10th floor, don't matter what floor it is? Are you going to take the stairs, or are you going to take the elevator? I was like, well, duh, I'm going to take the elevator, right? Who wouldn't? And he's like, exactly. So why would you take the slow route to anything you're trying to achieve in life? Just like I'm going to take an airplane when I come to see you in Indiana. I said, man, you're right, you know? He said, I love my job. But the thing is I had to eventually come to a point where I said, how long is it going to take me to achieve my ultimate goal financially and my time freedom if I stay at this job, no matter how attached I am to it emotionally? Whereas if I just push myself, then I can get to that dream and goal a lot faster and enjoy a lot more of my life, because I know it's going to bring me way more joy than the job that I'm currently at. I said, man. So I was thinking about all the areas in my life, and I just hope that you open your mind to all the areas in your life where if you push yourself out of your comfort zone, that you could achieve what you're trying to achieve a lot faster. So for instance, me, I stopped drinking energy drinks, but I will drink some pre-workout when I'm at the gym, especially on my cardio days. And the thing is, you know, 35, you see these gray hairs on that chin? It's not as easy as it used to be when I was 21, when I was that young bung, right? That young blood, whatever you want to say. It gets a little bit harder. The longer you have those bad habits in life, the harder it is to break them, right? So that's why I got mentors. I intentionally sought out some mentors of people that achieve the things that I want to achieve in life. I intentionally sought out my counselor because I was like, hey, there's some stuff that I want to get over, and I've already taken too long getting over some of them anger issues, the resentment issues, the bitterness, the jealousy, the addictions. I needed some help. this sauna, it's helping me sweat faster. So I'm using that to help me. What's up, buddies? I'm using that to help me sweat more, sweat faster.
Hold on. Nah, come on, Jay.
Sorry guys about the language. I got some guys walking in here. But the thing is there's apps that you can use to help you achieve things you want to. If you don't want to eat that unhealthy food, but you don't have enough time in the day to fix it, you got the meal preps. You've got accountability partners, you've got apps, you've got websites, you've got all kinds of things that are out there to help you achieve your dreams and goals faster if you just put down that pride, you put down that ego, and you work towards achieving them. And see, eventually you're going to have some guys, hope none of you care that I just put you in that video. It's Boundless Inspiration. We're all in here inspired to become the best versions of ourselves, no matter what it's going to take. Then blood, sweat, tears, we're going to achieve that stuff together. So today I just ask you to open up your mind, think about the things that you could be doing to excel your dreams and goals, make it faster, quicker so you can achieve it. Not just work till I retire and then I die. Let's achieve some great shit so we can retire early and live the life we want to live for the rest of our lives. Every single